Alright guys, what's going to happen now is we're going to go round about third exit, and student does it fantastic, no issues at all. You're going to see a white van driver shortly coming up in the top view. Okay, you can see the drivers there behind the green van. Alright, so that van driver gets really impatient and tries to overtake us a little bit too suddenly. There's parked cars on both sides after the zebra crossing, and space is less. Now there's a car pulling out in front of the white van, but the white van behind us goes and tries to overtake and almost has a really bad crash. Luckily he did react, but that was stupid, so a bit more patience from the white van driver. They could have maybe done it now, easily. So yeah, just hopefully you learn, don't lose your patience, especially when you're behind a learner.